In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your bills in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to enter a bill from a supplier and then how to record or make a payment for that bill so your books stay accurate and up to date. Let's start with entering a bill. This is what you do when you receive a bill from a supplier, but you're not paying it right away. Think of it as telling QuickBooks, I owe this money and here's when it's due. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, look for the button labeled Plus New, or it may appear as Plus Create, depending on your version. Click that, and from the options that appear, select Bill. This opens a new bill form. At the top, choose the supplier from the drop-down menu. This should match the name shown on the bill you received. If the supplier isn't there yet, you can add them as a new supplier so you don't have to type their details every time. Next, select the payment terms. These are things like net 30 or due on receipt, and they tell QuickBooks how long you have to pay the bill. Matching these to what's written on the bill helps QuickBooks calculate the correct due date. Then enter the bill date, the due date, and the bill number exactly as they appear on the bill itself. The bill number is especially important because it helps you avoid entering the same bill twice and makes it easier to find later. Now scroll down to the Category Details section. This is where you tell QuickBooks what type of expense this is. Choose the correct expense account, such as utilities, office supplies, or rent, depending on what the bill is for. Add a brief description so that, in the future, you can quickly see what this bill was about without opening attachments or digging into paperwork. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Your bill is now recorded and shows up in your unpaid bills list. Next, let's look at paying a bill. When you're ready to pay, go to the left-hand menu and navigate to Expenses, then Bills. Find the bill you want to pay and select it. If you're using an online payment service connected to QuickBooks, you can click the Make Payment button and use QuickBooks Bill Pay to send the payment electronically. Follow the prompts, confirm the payment details, and QuickBooks will track that payment for you. If you're recording a payment made another way, such as a manual online transfer or a physical check, again go to Expenses, then Bills, and open the bill you want to pay. Click Make Payment, then enter the payment details, including the payment date, the method, and the amount. Choose the bank account you're paying from so the money is deducted from the right place. If you're printing a physical check from QuickBooks, you can instead go to Plus New and select Check. Link that check to the bill, choose the same bank account, and enter the amount. When everything is filled out correctly, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will mark the bill as paid and update your account balances, giving you a clear picture of what you still owe and what's already taken care of. That's all there is to it. Enter the bill when you receive it, then record the payment when you pay it, and QuickBooks Online will handle the rest in the background.